With all the skills you've learned in this class so far, you can put together an animation like this bouncing ball animation. So I challenge you to do that right now. In the next video, I'll be following up with the answer. I'll be going through how I did it, but I'm only using skills that we've taught in this class so far, putting it all together to create something that looks like this. If you don't get it exactly right, that's totally fine. I'll show you what I did. And it's okay to be a little bit different. You get a sort of preview of what I did here. I've got multiple layers. I've got these clouds in the background moving to the side. I've got the sky, the ground, and then of course this bouncing ball. One clue is that I'm using a lot of easy easing and the graph editor to make this motion look more natural. All right, so that's my challenge to you. Go ahead and try it. And then in the next video, I'll be showing you how I did it.